All right, guys, in this module, I want to talk about different affiliate networks that you have the opportunity to go with. And basically what an affiliate network is it houses different products, both digital and physical, that you can select and promote. So, of course, my top recommended that I got started with was ClickBank. It's very well known in the marketplace, and they sell primarily digital products. And we'll go into a little bit more detail about ClickBank. We'll actually select a product within ClickBank just because I think it has the most valuable products that I know of, and it's what I created success with. So I know that you can create success with this too as well. So there's tons of different categories, from arts and entertainment down to health and fitness. So many different digital products that you can promote in multiple different niches. And then you have commission junction. Some affiliate networks are going to be a lot more difficult to actually get approved by than others. ClickBank is a network that will instantly approve you. They approve everybody, but there's some affiliate networks that take some time to get approved by. A lot of them you have to show that you are in fact intermediate to an advanced marketer, that you're actually getting results, you know how to get traffic, you know how to convert that traffic, and all that good stuff. So that's one reason why I recommend ClickBank. And then of course you got Commission Junction, you got Max Bounty, which is more for people that do have experience. But each of these affiliate networks will house different products, and it also gives you the opportunity to find out what's selling as well. You know, if you go and you log into any of these affiliate networks and see the products that are being sold within different niches and products that are actually being housed within each of these networks, that's an indicator that they're most likely products that do sell and do convert. Because I know a lot of these different networks are selective about what products they do house, because they want to house products that do in fact sell. So do your research, go into some of these different affiliate networks, find out what's being promoted in these different markets, and you can really find out what's trending right now. So you got Rakuten Marketing. There's a lot of physical products that are promoted through Rakuten. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave these different resource links below to these different affiliate networks, so you guys can feel free to browse through and take a look at each of them. You got JVZoo, which mostly houses, it's a lot like ClickBank, and they mostly house digital products too as well. So you can feel free to sign up with JVZoo. You instantly will get approved with JVZoo too as well. Not only do you need to get approved by the affiliate network, but you also need to get approved to promote the products, because a lot of these owners of these products, these merchants, need to ensure that you are somebody that's going to actually promote their product and use the resources and help them get more revenue. So you also have PeerFly. PeerFly is another easy one to get approved by. This is actually a CPA network. So they have both affiliate products and CPA products. So again, we talked about getting paid by cost per acquisition, by somebody just filling out an email address or filling out some information. There's a lot of CPA offers within PeerFly. And then you have certain markets that are like geared towards health, right? Weight loss. So Market Health has offers that pretty much 100% have to do with the health industry, from cosmetics to weight loss to muscle building and things of that nature. So this is actually one of the first networks I got started with, along with clickbank.com, and they definitely pay out on time, and they do have some quality products. So you also have some others, ShareSell, obviously lots of different physical products. You have eBay, which is well known, Amazon. Most of these products within each of these networks, such as like eBay, ShareSell, Amazon, a lot of them, they got quality products, but their payouts are going to be between like 3 and 6%. So I probably wouldn't recommend, if you're getting started, to go with any of these networks unless you've got high volumes of traffic, going to your funnels and your websites. Okay, so just a little piece of advice there. You've got Revenue Wire, you've got Avongate, you've got Flex Offers, you've got Performance Horizon, ClickBooth, CPA Lead, which again is another CPA network. And then you have Offer Vault, which actually houses a bunch of different offers all in one place within all these affiliate networks that I just went through. So basically, it's going to show all the different offers within all the networks across the board. As you can see, you've got all the different networks right here, and you'll see like ClickBank right here. You'll see, here's another ClickBank, and you've got all these different other affiliate networks. Here's a CPA network. So instead of having to go through each of these networks and look for an offer, Offer Vault will tell you, for example, if you're looking for a weight loss offer, it will tell you all the available affiliate networks that offer is available in. So with that said, that's a little bit about affiliate networks. And in the next video, we'll get into ClickBank specifically, and we'll actually choose different products that we can promote within ClickBank. So let's go ahead and end this video here, and we'll see you in the next video.